Welcome back again. We'll be continuing with the view directives. So let me just extract these two components. Then we can have directives intro dot view. So if you haven't watched previous series, you can check on the playlist so that watch the previous tutorials before you come here. So this is just a build up on whatever we've been doing in the previous tutorial. So I'll start with the lists. So for this we'll be doing lists. So if for the list it will be quite simple. So I just need to just remove this. Then as we had discussed earlier, it's just my preference to move things up. So if you have a list of maybe people, so you have people, let's say name person 1, then we also have person 2. So let's say age is 20, age here is 56, and we can also have age which is maybe 12, person 3. So then we can also have person 4 who is 17 years. So for this person who is 17, so we'll just see how to build around this. So as we had discussed, the syntax will be, we have our div here already. Then in view we don't use the map, we use vue-for. So it's for each loop, so we just need to write maybe I'll just need a list, an ordered list. Then from the ordered list, an ordered list, we can just display the names. So the syntax will be vue-for. So for the vue-for, what we'll have is, so first point we have the item which is being looped. Then we can use the of or the in keyword. So depending on the knowledge of how you understand the concept of vue-for, for in and for of. So in goes through the keys, while of goes through the values. So let's say if we have this person, so we can have here as person. Then now here we have the array part of whatever you're looking against. So it's for your item of the array that you are looping against. So with us here we have people, so we'll replace here with the people. Then for the people, then now here we can have our person. So if you have this person, as we had seen earlier, so even I've written this in the wrong place. So we need to have this as, this is now the item, list item, and we need a wrapper around it, which is the parent. So it is the UL wrapping the LI. So meaning from this point, if I save, we'll have series of L's here. But we don't need the L, we need the person. So we can just display the person, and you'll see we have person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4. So if now you need to access the values within these, you can just maybe say person dot name, then now we'll have person 1 here, then we can have also the age as person dot age, then old. So that is how you can have your list shown. Then you can just see here we are displaying these people here. So this is how simple it is to use loops in Vue.js. It's just master the v-for, the item being looped against, and using the of or the in. So if you are looping against an object, always know that the in goes through the keys while the of goes through the values. So for this case, if you needed to extract the index, you can just maybe wrap it with a double round quotes around braces, so that you can access the index here. Then from this point you can just have the index, and this should also still work. You can see we have index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. So this is how you can destructure, and still you can go ahead to use the destructure. So I can just spread from this point, then just extract the age or the name. Then so if I do this, I will see this one will be undefined, so I need to just get this name, and instead of person.name I can have it as just the name, and this should work as expected. So the next part will be doing conditionals against this, so that you see how we can display things conditionally, and just proceed with digesting how those attribute bindings will also work against this. So stay tuned. For the next, we'll be doing the conditional rendering of this list. So let's meet in the next one.